Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. Roaming with Rover. Can't talk today. And this is our Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent unboxing. So happy, so happy. I'm having such a good time doing this. And I hope you guys are enjoying it too. So today we've got three things to talk about. We've got our Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent. We've got our Hoop to Hoop 12 Days of Christmas Stitching, and our first tea. So let's start with the tea just for fun. So if you remember, I got it is a box of tea with basically loose tea bags inside. So all I did was I flipped open the lid, I reached inside and grabbed a tea bag, and we got this. Where is that? ASM, I'm sure I'm saying it wrong, ASSAM, ASM Exotic, and it's 100% pure black tea. That's all it says about it. So, you know what I know. So I brewed that up, and it comes in a real pretty triangle tea bag. So it's a nice tea bag, and there's quite a bit. It says long cut tea, so it's not, a lot of the tea bags are really finely ground. So it's a little better than those, but it's been seeping for a few minutes. I don't like my tea super strong, so usually after just a couple of minutes, I pull that bag out. Smells pretty good. Smells like hot tea, hot black tea. Yeah, tastes like a basic hot tea, hot black tea. It's good though. I like that. I would totally drink that. Okay, so that's our first tea, and I like that. And let's talk about the 12 Days of Christmas Stitchery. We are on the third day of Christmas, which I have no idea what it is. I can't remember. I need to get that list and look it up so that I've got that information. I'm struggling with this one a little bit. My number, I haven't finished it, but I'm working on it. As you can see, the number on there just looks terrible. It was satin stitch, but there was these teeny tiny, like 1/4 of an inch stitches, and they just look terrible. So then I outlined it, trying to make it a little more cohesive, and that just made it look like a big old lump. I don't know. 3 is not my best work. And so now I'm working on the satin stitch. So I'll get that done pretty quick, but I wanted to come in here and do this. So I'll keep working on this today. Don't love number 3. Not my best work. I definitely need to. If you guys can remember what the third day is, it looks like something to do with a chicken, but I don't think it's a chicken. Write that in the comments, please, if you know what day 3 is. Okay. Remember I told you yesterday we got the 12 Days of Stitchmas from Bothy Threads, and I wasn't sure what it looked like on the inside. Now, we're not opening these, but I just want you to see what the inside, and this thing is so heavy, what the inside of this looks like. It's a whole bunch of different little packets with the dates on it. So that's going to be so fun to open. And we're going to start that on Christmas Day, because that is when the 12 Days of Christmas start. So we will do that on Christmas Day. But I did want to show you how cute the packaging on that was. All right, let's look at our Caterpillar CrossStitch box number 5. This cute little rabbit. Oh, here we go. A group of rabbits is called, I had no idea. A group of rabbits is called a fluffle. F-L-U-F-F-L-E. A fluffle. A fluffle of rabbits. I bet you that's backwards. I'm not sure. If you knew that, put that in the comments if you knew what that was. Let's see. Sometimes when I go to open these, the lid flops under and then it tears. I don't want it to tear. I wonder if I can open the other end without, yeah, I can get to the other end without it tearing. Okay, here we go. I think I know what it is. Oh, how cute. So this is what's called a needle minder. Oh. It's a little snow globe of a house. well, it's probably a log cabin. Yeah, it is. It's a log cabin out in the, kind of looks like a gingerbread house, but it's a log cabin out in the woods because we've got this whole woods theme going. So a needle minder is basically one of these little doohickeys with magnets. And then you put this on the front of your project. Where's my project? Where's my project? I need a needle minder for this one. So you put the design side on the front of your project and the magnet on the back, and then as you're working, stitching, you can set your needle on there and it holds your needle for you. So if you've got multiple colors, or like the one project I'm working on is all white, so I have about 6 white needles with white thread just all loaded up, ready to go. So when I finish one, I just grab the next one. So that holds your needles while you're working on your project. That's very, very cute. Oh, don't lose the magnet. And theirs are really good. I've gotten some that the magnet is so not strong enough. What's the weak? It's so weak it barely holds itself to the paper, to the fabric. Theirs are really, really good. So this is adorable. Little snow globe with the house. Love it, love it, love it. So that is super, super cute. Okay, and here's the back. Oh, look, the back of the box has a house on it. Isn't that adorable? All right, let's turn our box around. And that is day 5, ready to go. So tomorrow is day 6, and that's going to be this one with the little hedgehog. So cute. Ugh, if I can get him. There we go. So there's tomorrow. There's day 6 for tomorrow. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I really am. I'm liking spending just a couple of minutes with you every day. Let's have some more of that tea. Yep, that is good. I hope you guys, when you sit down to watch these videos, you grab a little cup of tea and take your little 10-minute break and enjoy yourself for just a moment. I am going to finish this up today, and then I've got a couple other projects that I'm working on finishing up, and I'm just about ready. Yeah, I am just about ready to start doing the whip videos. So you're going to start seeing those in the next few days. Be looking for that. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you have a great day. Please like, please subscribe, and pop this over to someone who you think might enjoy it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.